I'm David Martirano, a behavioral health CMO who spent 25 years watching the same fight play out. Providers and payers arguing over documentation while patients wait. PsyOS EQ ends that fight with objective clinical intelligence that reduces the total cost of care. The problem isn't that care is expensive, it's that we lack a shared framework to measure it. Premature discharges lead to readmissions. Delayed authorizations escalate crises. Patients end up in ERs for issues manageable at a lower cost. And hidden costs, lost wages, travel, family burden, never show up in any claims data. Everyone wants appropriate care at sustainable cost. We just haven't had an objective way to measure total episode cost until now. EQ uses the shared framework of the PsyOS clinical avatar domains: safety, cognitive, affective, social, behavioral, and physical, rated on a 0 to 9 scale. These aren't just documentation metrics, they're a shared language. When scores are above threshold, continued care is justified. When they're improving, progress is visible. When they hit the transition range, step down is clearly indicated. Behavioral domain changes signal treatment engagement. Social and physical trends reveal response and side effects. Cognitive and affective stability shows whether treatment is delivering value. Safety domain trends reveal emerging crisis risk. Traditional cost management is reactive. You discover costs after claims. It's fragmented, no visibility across the episode, and it's adversarial, provider versus payer disputes that add thousands per case. This is the current state of the art. 6 steps of PA automation: ingest, populate, validate, submit, track, document. Everyone's building this. Here's what we've built. The PsyOS kernel. A single source of truth, pre-validated, direct submission, 3 steps eliminated. But you can see the real advantage below. Most cost models miss what happens when delay cascades into crisis. EQ's NoSQL architecture replaces tables and rows with modern graphs, integrating predictive analytics to model true cost. Providers invest in the PsyOS suite and get workflow optimization, documentation automation, and denial prevention. Payers benefit with no direct investment, cleaner alignment between levels of care and member risk, predictive cost modeling, and dramatic reduction in administrative overhead. Patients get transparent progress, no surprise denials, and faster access to appropriate care. EQ transforms cost management from adversarial gatekeeping to collaborative optimization. That's PsyOS EQ. Thank you.